Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video that I made about the oil vapors that come out of the engine, which come to stain the sensors, both the MAF and the MAP, as in some vehicles even the air filter. And someone has asked me, how can the air filter stain if it is located on the opposite side? Well, here you can see it well. This is a gasoline engine, from a Hyundai. Here, you start the engine and there comes a time when the oil that lubricates the engine heats up. Then it begins to produce vapors, oil vapors, and what happens is that to avoid excessive pressure inside the engine, they begin to be released. In this case they would be released through the PCV hose. They would reach the air intake through there, and when the engine is on for the lowering of the piston, a vacuum is created, and they are absorbed and burned in the combustion chamber. There comes a moment, when you stop the car engine, then, the engine, which has a throttle body, there has a valve that it closes, and it no longer has that absorption. It no longer has the absorption of the pistons, and what happens is that there are still oil vapors in the air intake. Then, those oil vapors, as they are still hot, they move inside the intake tube and get to stain both the MAF sensor and the air filter. Then they cool down and liquefy, and then, there you see that there are oil stains, both on the MAF sensor as in the air filter. Well, here you have the explanation. And if the video has been of interest to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.